Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about the complete procedure for the construction of box culvert. So in order to understand the complete concept of the box culvert construction, you need to watch this video completely. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You will remain updated to my latest videos if you subscribe to my channel. So here you can see that we have an existing culvert. Already half part of the culvert was removed and the remaining half part is going to be removed with the help of excavator and the jackhammer. You can see that the culvert was not designed properly. It was not designed according to the volume of water. This is the reason why at the outlet the culvert had been broken. Water penetrated through the road. The reason why water penetrated through road was there was no proper filling and the culvert was not properly constructed. You may see here that now we are removing the asphalt of the road. Once we are through with the removal, we shall start the construction of our culvert. The wearing course and the binding course is being removed here, as you can see. Before we started the culvert construction, you may see a diversion of road was done. It would help the motorist to follow another path and you can continue with your work. So you can see that the excavator is removing the existing culvert and the asphalt. In the meantime, you may see on the left hand side we have the outlet. Water is coming through the right hand side where we have the inlet. Now you can see that we have placed boulders and we are going to apply laterite on top of it. Then we shall be using the roller in order to compact our base properly. After we place the boulders or big stones, you may see that laterite was applied and we are using roller in order to compact our base foundation properly. The total length of this culvert is going to be 13 meters. The width of this culvert is 2.4 meters. This culvert has two cells and the height of this culvert is maintained at 1.2 meters. The thickness of our base is maintained at 30 centimeters. You can see that after we use roller, we applied blinding, concrete blinding. Then the iron bender placed the reinforcement bars and now we are casting concrete on the base. After we are through with the construction of base, you may see that the carpenter is placing the formwork or the shuttering for the walls. At the same time, we are going to do the construction of our apron. Apron is also going to have a thickness of 30 centimeters. The projection of our apron is 2.7 meters. Apart from apron, we are going to have our toe beam. It will have a width of 30 centimeters and a depth of 1 meter. The thickness of our walls are also going to be maintained at 30 centimeters. You can see with the help of transit mixer, we have casted the concrete for our walls. If you don't have excavator, you may also use funnel. You can see that long funnel was fabricated by the carpenter. You can use it with the transit mixer to pour concrete in your walls. Now you can see that the carpenter is working to place the shuttering for the decking slab. At the same time, reinforcement bars were placed for the toe beam. We use Y12 as the runners, and the stirrups were also Y12 for our toe beam. For the deck slab and for the base we use Y16 mm bars and Y12 mm bars. For the bottom mat we use Y16, while for the top mat we use Y12. For the bottom mat we use Y12 as the runners, and for the top mat we use Y12 as the runners as well. The same reinforcement bars were used for the decking slab. You can see that after the construction of our toe beam, we are placing the boulders. Since there is a lot of pressure uh, at the outlet of our culvert, it is always advised to place the boulders. It will protect your toe beam. Possibly, you may also do concreting at the toe beam at the outlet of your culvert. Now you can see here that the iron benders are working to place the reinforcement bars of our decking slab. The starters are coming out of the walls and they are going to be bent. You always need to place the starter bars because it will help you to transfer the load from walls to the decking slab. You can see that after the placement of reinforcement bars, we have started pouring concrete. You can see that the spacers were also used. They are placed below the reinforcement bars. When you are pouring concrete, you have to make sure that you use the concrete vibrator in order to avoid the honeycombing. Since it is an existing road where we are constructing this culvert, it is always advised to make sure that you use the proper levels, because after we are through with the construction of our culvert, we are going to do the filling. You may see here that the concrete is being used at the outlet of this culvert as I explained to you earlier. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, you may write in the comment box. Until my next video, goodbye.